In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change signature on Microsoft Outlook. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This will bring you to the main mail view where you can access all of your account settings. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. That opens the settings area, which is where Outlook keeps personalization and account options. When the settings panel or page appears, look to the left-hand column and click on Accounts. Inside that section, select Signatures. This is the area where you can create, edit, and manage the signatures used in your emails. Next, click Add Signature. Outlook will create a new signature entry for you. After that, click into the main editing field to start adding your signature content. If you want a simple text signature, you can type directly into this box. For example, this could include your name, role, company, or any standard closing you normally use. If your signature includes an image instead, or if you want to add a logo or a handwritten style signature image, click Insert. From there, choose Pictures and then select the signature image from your device. This is useful if your branding or format is already designed as an image and you want it to appear consistently in your emails. Once your signature content is in place, click into the signature name field and give it a clear name. This helps you identify it later, especially if you use more than one signature for different purposes. Choose something simple and easy to recognize. Now click Save to store the new signature. After saving, you'll need to tell Outlook when to use it. Find the drop-down for default for new messages and the drop-down for default for replies and forwards. Open each one and select the new signature you just created. Setting both of these ensures that your updated signature appears automatically, whether you're sending a brand new email or responding to an existing conversation. If you also want to remove an old signature completely, locate the one you no longer need and click the bin icon next to it. This deletes that signature from Outlook, which can help keep your list organized and avoid selecting the wrong one by mistake. Finally, click Save again to confirm all of your changes. At this point, your new signature should be active and ready to use. If you want to double-check everything, open a new message and confirm that the correct signature appears automatically. That's it. Your Outlook signature has now been updated successfully.